Hello guys, today is March 2, 2025. So, nag-vlog ta karon and naglibot ko from Claveria and naa ako sa Hingoog karon. Nga ba tag Hingoog? Keeping on the helmet kay naadiri ang mic, and this is my view. This is Hingoog's Bay. Day walk? Day? Hingoog Bay. They said it's day walk pero di na ko siya makita sa maps and wala pa nakabutang kung saan siyang lugar. Pero the place is nice. There. And natay ulan nga later. And that's on the pita. So ulan, Balingasag area. So they have artificial grass, and then that's an old fort na tambayanan at tutarad to. Tsada ang ilang baywalk. Baywalk. So ganiha, I was supposed to meet, dili supposed ka nagkita man yun ni. Pero very short notice ang pagkita naman ni Emerson and Balot. Shout out to Emerson and Balot. And nagkita mi sa Hingoog Gaisano, and then naapaday sila laing lakaw. So it was a very short meet up, and siguro ako ni sulit sa Gaisano and nang-awas sa dahil hindi kinapasila laing lakaw. So anyway, here's the name of the bay. The Promenade Bay by the Bay. Promenade by the Bay. Oh, diba? Nice. Vlogger daw ba ko? They get that a lot. So rain is coming, and the rain is over there, and I'm surrounded by rain. So ngambak sila dagat. Not sure if adunggan ninyo. Anyway, so that's it for the video for today. The Promenade Bay, Hingoog, and muli na ko makaon sa kasuko gamay. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.